Welcome to part 2 of our guide on the 2026 CSP Ph.D. Fellowship at Fudan University. In this video, we will go through everything you need to know about the application process, the required documents, and some tips to help strengthen your application. Without wasting our time, let's start with the required documents. For the Joint Research Ph.D. Fellowship, you will need to prepare an abstract of your master's thesis or other research results, proof of current enrollment in a PhD program, an abstract of your doctoral dissertation if applicable, a detailed study plan for your stay in China, 2 recommendation letters from experts in your field, and your HSK transcript. For the PhD Fellowship in China, you need notarized undergraduate and master's transcripts and degree certificates, a doctoral research plan, 2 recommendation letters, and your HSK transcript. Preparing these documents carefully and ensuring they meet all requirements is crucial for a successful application. Now, let's go through the application steps. First, visit the official CSP online system. Register and select the appropriate program category, either Joint Research or PhD in China. Then, upload all the required documents and submit your application before February 28, 2026. Make sure to double-check each document for accuracy and proper formatting before submission, as incomplete or incorrect applications may be rejected. Once your application is submitted, it will undergo a multi-stage review process. Initially, the university and the Chinese supervisor will review your documents. Then, you will be invited for a remote video interview. Finally, an expert committee will conduct the final review and select the fellowship recipients. Finally, here are some insider tips to strengthen your application. Start your preparations early to avoid last-minute stress. Write a clear and compelling research plan that highlights your academic goals and potential contributions to China studies. Choose recommenders who know your academic work well and can provide detailed letters of recommendation. Lastly, prepare thoroughly for your remote interview, practicing how to explain your research and academic goals confidently. That's it. You now have a complete guide to the 2026 CSP Ph.D. Fellowship at Fudan University. Hopefully, by the help of